Scanpan from Denmark has been Europe's leading manufacturer of high-quality squeeze-cast aluminium cookware for more than 50 years. Scanpan non-stick products are made in Denmark using a unique process. Environmentally friendly aluminium is poured into a mold and squeeze-casted into shape using 250 tons of pressure. The unique squeeze-casting technique results in a base that offers perfect heat distribution, absolutely no hot spots, and is guaranteed never to warp. Due to the perfect heat retention, Scanpan products allow you to use low to medium heat, which will minimize your consumption of energy while cooking. Scanpan's patented ceramic titanium surface is fired into the interior with 30,000 degrees Celsius, or twice the speed of sound, which makes the surface 10 times harder than steel. The hard surface is safe to use with any kind of utensils, even metal ones. Scanpan products is oven safe to 260 degrees Celsius. Scanpan's latest GreenTech non-stick surface is free of PFOA in all stages of the manufacturing process and ensures you will enjoy the perfect food release every time. Handles are securely fastened and guaranteed not to come loose. The quality of each item is controlled to the highest standard every step of the way. Cleanup is a snap, either by hand using hot soapy water or in the dishwasher. Scanpan products are designed in Denmark, and our design department is working very closely with our worldwide partners to develop products that meet each market's needs. At Scanpan, we are committed to produce and develop innovative, functional and high-quality food preparation products for many years to come. Scanpan, for the love of good food.